It's that time, my dears. It is the Boxycharm unboxing, June 2020. Are you curious of what I got in this box? Was it good? Was it bad? What are my thoughts? If you got Boxycharm, did you get the same thing I got? I ain't gonna lie, 10% of it, it's on my face, my dears. So if you're curious to find out what I actually got, my thoughts, and if I thought this box was good, or let's forget about this small type of situation, then keep watching, my dears. Keep watching. Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my dears, and thank you so much for pushing the little play button. I really appreciate it. Now, this video, I got the Boxycharm unboxing for June 2020. There's some of the products I've tried ahead of time, and there's some that I want to give you a first impression, so it's going to be a little bit of a mix, if you will. But before we begin, I do want to apologize that I did not have a video last week. Actually, this video should have been for last week, to be honest with you, but I got really ill. To the point to where I could really move. How can I put it? And it's not COVID. Don't worry, it wasn't COVID. It's more of, I have a lot of hormone issues, and I had to deal with a lot of that, and yeah, I was down and out for a week. I mean, I couldn't even do music. Let's put it that way. I was that ill, but I'm better. I'm not 100%. I'm like about 85-ish. So I'm trying. I'm trying to be better, believe me. So I do want to apologize if you're like, where's her video? It's not up. So I want to give you a little explanation of where I was. But right before we dig into the products of the Boxycharm unboxing, and if I thought this month was good, bad, or what were they thinking kind of thing, I just want to remind you, please consider subscribing. And remember to push the little notification bell, because it will let you know when my videos are up and loaded. And remember to follow me on all of my social medias on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, and Snapchat. And it all has the exact same handle at Enidbluesinger, as well as my IMDb page, Enidbluesinger. And yes, you'll see a lot of rainbow nail polish, because that's how kind of bored I was. Yeah, in bed, ill. So, for no further ado, let's jump straight into the products. And let's see what I got, shall we? Let's see what I've got. Alright, my dears, now let's go straight into our first product in the Boxycharm unboxing. Now, as I open the box, this is all the products that's inside. Now, I'm sure, as you saw from my face, I basically, well, it is the Boxycharm, the Oasis. And all the products, what it is, the prices, everything is going to be, it shows right here in the card, so I will read as we go along. Now, the first product that we see, I'm actually, and I kind of did this on purpose, it's going to be this product right over here. This is the Purlisse Perfect Glow BB Cream, SPF 30. It's oil-free, moisturizing, natural-looking coverage, matte meets glowy finish for all skin types, even sensitive. This is where I get kind of scared about this product, to be honest with you, because my kind of skin, I ain't gonna lie to you, I have normal skin, but SPF breaks me out. Now, as I mentioned before, I've been sick, and some of the medicine, I've been having some allergic reaction to it. So if I break out, I'm already broken out. Anyway, sure. And it says it's natural looking coverage. We'll find out in just a minute. I'm going to tell you what it says from the back. Through Asian wisdom. A multitasking beauty balm that is a foundation, antioxidant moisturizer, SPF 30 in one. I'll let you know here if I actually broke out some more or not. I'll let you know, my dears. Featuring our exclusive Asian herb extract complex, goji and hawthornberry brightens skin, while jasmine improves skin textures and refrains moisturizer to create a gorgeous and glowing complexion. The benefits: improve skin complexion, soften and even skin tone, hydrates the skin, helps reduce the lines, wrinkles, and dark spots, dullness, and any other signs of aging, prevents UVA, UVB damage. The ritual: for normal or dry skin types, wear over Purlisse moisturizer. For oily skin, wear alone. For extra coverage, wear under a foundation. But I want to see what this product actually does, because I have not tried this. Obviously, this will be a first impression. In front of Oasis, let's see what this says, my dears. Complexion Perfection for a gorgeous matte, dewy finish. The multitasking beauty balm glides on like a tinted moisturizer with all the age-defying coverage, sunscreen benefits of a foundation and BB cream. This is $35, my dears. $35, and this is in the shade light medium. I know at Boxycharm they give you, hey, what's your skin type, tone, all that situation. Let's see if they actually got the correct color on me. It says light medium, so I don't know. But in the box, it also came with, I guess this is a big promotion, the Purlisse BB Cream SPF with all the benefits and everything that I just read in the back. And all the ingredients. I guess because in the back you can't really see all the ingredients. Well, yeah, all the ingredients, so I'm guessing that's why. So, I'm gonna go ahead and apply. Oh, and also said I was right, a copy of ingredients are available at Purlisse.com. Okay. So, we're gonna try out this product. Like I said, I already cleaned my face. I do have primer underneath, moisturizer, I have some tea tree oils underneath because, well, I'm having some skin issues this week. Hopefully you guys can forgive me due that I've been sick for about a week and I'm still kind of recovering. And I'm not gonna use a beauty blender because it says it gives coverage in a beauty blender, as you know, and if you don't know, it takes away coverage, so that kind of defeats the purpose. And it says natural skin, natural glow matte skin. So I'm going to be using my favorite foundation brush. This is from the Sephora brand, the Pro Liquid Foundation 63. So I'm going to go ahead and let's see how it goes, shall we? And I do apologize for the light. I can't really control sunlight, so kind of disadvantages of being outside. So it is new, which is good because it has a sifter on top. And let's see what this does, shall we? Let's see. That's the color. All right, light medium. Let's see if Boxycharm got my color. I can smell the SPF. I don't really see much coverage, do you? Alright, my dears. This is, it gives you coverage. It's a BB cream. I'm not expecting full coverage. I am a full coverage queen, I ain't gonna lie. But as you can tell, not much. It's very light. But they kind of give me the wrong color. This is light medium, but I think it may be too light for me. So I may have needed a darker color. Maybe that would have made a big difference. So the shade. Because it did say it's supposed to even the skin tone. Do you guys see some evenness on my skin? I'm gonna let you take a closer look. Do you guys see any evenness? Let me know your thoughts down in the comment below. Let me know, because I personally don't see much of a difference. It just feels like a moisturizer. I'm usually not a BB cream type of gal. Due to this reason, I don't really see much of a difference. I smell the SPF. That's really about it, to be honest. Do I feel hydrating? Not so much. Now, it's just like an even moisturizer. You might as well just wear, I mean, the only benefit, like, between this cream, SPF, cream, and the moisturizer is black ass SPF, but you can substitute that and add other, like a regular SPF on top. I mean, this is the only thing I can think of for this, but it doesn't do anything else. I mean, you must wear this and put a foundation on top. Other than that, I don't see a difference. Yeah, so this is a no for me, Boxycharm. This is a no. Let's go to the next product that I can actually try before I go in and finish up the rest of my face. Is this product right over here. This is the QMS Medicosmetics, a lip line corrector lip serum. So let's see what it says. QMS Medicosmetics lip line corrector. Formulated exclusively for the upper lip area. Lip line corrector targets fine lines and wrinkles. The high performance lively serum is specifically designed to hydrate the plump lips for a smoother, youthful appearance. My dears, this is $200. This product's $200. Ooh, it better be good. $200 for lip. Okay. So apparently, for the upper lip area and lip line corrector. Now I'm a horrible person to try this product, to be honest with you. I feel bad for this $200 product because I don't have any wrinkles on my upper lip. Mine's more like around the eyes. Yes, Kylie, my dears. But I'm gonna try putting it around my lip, on my upper lip, just to see how it feels. So yeah, I may have to give this to someone who actually has line issues. But you open it like this, so it's cool packaging. Okay, wait. You kind of have to hold it. Oh Lord. It's like a light liquid. Oh, it's cool. Let's see. My dears, this smells like nail polish remover. Alright. Yeah, I think I pumped a little bit too much. Like I said, I'm a horrible person to try this because I don't have any wrinkles on my upper lip. I'm not at that age yet. All I can tell you, feels smooth. I'm surprised this is $200. I'm still shocked at the price. I would say this is not fair for me to judge because I do not have the issues for what this product is for. I'm still lucky enough that my lips are nice and smooth and I don't have that type of issue. So the only thing I can do is see how that helps on top of makeup because I will be putting foundation on top of this, my dear. I would say a no for me due to I don't have that issue, but I will try to find someone in my life that has those issues and they can give me a better review because for me, it's just not for me. And the rest of the products, well, let's just say there's only one more product in here that I can actually show you physically on my face. And the other two, I have tried it. I'm gonna give you my thoughts in just a moment. So if you give me a moment, I'm gonna step away. I'm gonna finish up my face. I'm actually gonna put foundation on top of this BB cream because I don't see any smoothing or, I mean, if I could at least see some evenness, maybe, but I see nothing. Nothing. So give me a second, let me finish up and then we'll be back and we'll try that one extra complexion product left on this box and I'll let you know my thoughts about the other two and this Boxycharm unboxing right up. So give me, well, for me a few moments. For you, maybe in just a second. Alright my dears, I am back. The rest of my makeup is done and applied. So let's go into the next product that I can actually show you and apply my first impression. I got the AUTISM Couture Diamond Glow Powder. Now I did get this exact brand in the powder, a different shade because I did verify it a couple months ago, and now I got a whole different shade, and this is in the shade Illuminati. This is what it says in the Oasis. AUTISM Couture Diamond Glow Powder. Diamond Glow Powders were created for versatility, customization in mind. Start with a subtle, luminous sheen and build up the powder to an intense, amplified look. Diamond Glow Powder is designed for all skin tones and types, so everyone can find their go-to glow. This is $27, my dears, $27. Now, as you saw from the beginning of the video, I did go ahead and have my eyes, you know, I put a little eyeshadow. What's on the lid is actually the AUTISM Couture. So just so you're aware, even though this is a highlighter, this is how it looks like as an actual eyeshadow, my dears. I go ahead, it does have a sifter. My dears. So this is my second AUTISM Couture. So what I do, I go ahead and open up the highlighter in the cap here. And I'm going to be using, this is my Alamar brightening brush. I like this. This is like my main one I use for like all my highlighters. And I'm going to put a little bit on here and I'm going to put it in a very light way on my cheek so you can see how it actually looks like. I did say lightly, right? There you go, my dears. Now, if you want a more intense glow than this, you can. I'm actually going to be adding a little bit of Makeupreview Plus because this is basically what you use if you want to intensify anything. And there you go, my dears. And it's very intense. I'm going to put a little bit in my inner corner. Oh, love this shade. I think the other way you can use this, if you have extremely dry skin, it's the only way I would put it. Even normal like myself, oily, I wouldn't recommend. If you add like a pinch of this, like with your foundation, and mix it in, that way you can have like a nice, glowy type of foundation look. You know, if you mix everything in, you can do what I just did, or you use it as an eyeshadow. This is basically how it looks like. So this, my dears, I do like. Those are 3, anyway, complexion products that I can actually physically show you at this moment. Now, there's actually 2 more products in the box. I have tried them. They're not first impressions. Let me give you my thoughts. The next thing that I got in this box is the Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner Foaming face wash. Now at first I was actually really excited about this because I'm actually out of face wash. And so I was like, oh, perfect. I can go ahead and, you know, try it out. I did. The letters in the back of the packaging, you can feel it. You can't really read it though. That's the only thing, unless you really want your eyes to be strained, my dears. The white and the light pink, I would suggest. Here's the packaging. It's a clear, like plastic. It's plastic, it's not glass. Foaming face wash. Okay? It is 5 ounces. And yes, this does come with a pump. Water in, foaming in, go. Kylie Skin by Foaming face wash. Our luxurious foaming face wash is infused with an ultra-nourishing kiwi seed oil packed with vitamin C and E to help maintain moisture and improve elasticity. This gentle formula cleanses skin by helping to remove dirt, oil, and makeup for a fresh, bright complexion. This is $24. My dears, I tried it for about 2 days. I tried this, you know, just foaming it up right after, not putting anything on. I've tried after I used this, I went ahead and put my serums, my moisturizer, everything that I put like I would like any other moisturizer. And yeah, I don't like it. And here's why, my dears. This leaves your skin extremely, extremely dry. Even with the moisturizers I put on top, no, it's just, and I have normal skin. Dry skin, I don't think this would be very good. Oily skin, maybe. It just feels like it takes off not just the dirt, but the oils. It doesn't take off makeup very well, so I wouldn't recommend this as a makeup remover, just a little FYI. But I didn't claim that anyway. Plus, mostly it's a face wash. But even in the morning, my face feels really tight and really dry. And that's kind of cool to look at. It has bubbles. It's not a recommend for anybody. It's this product right over here. This is the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA, safe for sensitive skin. This, I went ahead and I did use it. I do like how it feels. It's nice. It's not too rough. It's actually kind of gentle, so I do agree with the claim that's for sensitive skin. And it leaves your skin very nice and smooth. You just put lotion on top after you bathe. I do like this product actually. It leaves the skin quite nice. I'm going to give you a little bit more information what the card says. First aid beauty. KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA. KP Bump Eraser fast-acting servicing body treatment contains chemicals and physical exfoliators that work together to deliver the benefits of a chemical peel microdermabrasion at once. This hard-working scrub helps improve skin texture and smooths away bumps, roughness, and stubborn scaly areas. This is $18, my dears. So out of everything in here, this is like the cheapest thing. And this, I actually quite like, my dears. I would definitely recommend this, my dears. And that, my dears, is everything that I got in the June Boxycharm unboxing. Yay! If you made it to the end of my video, good job, my dears. Now, the total for everything that I got in the box this month is $304, my dears. Everything's $304. And honestly, I think it's because of that $200 product that I'm not a candidate for. I'm just saying. That wasn't for me. That was not for me, my dears. Would I say this month's box was actually worth it? No! Absolutely not. Like, I'm thankful about the body scrub. And I'm thankful about the glow, couture, highlighter, powder, eyeshadow situation. I like those. The rest of it, I either wasn't a candidate for or they just did not work out, as you saw. So I would say this is one of the worst boxes that Boxycharm has given me. But as you know, it's an unboxing. You never know what we're going to get. Some boxes are good and some boxes are, well, not so great. So, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And remember, before you leave, just in case you forgot, please consider subscribing. And remember to give me a like and comment below and share my video. I would really, really appreciate it. Oh, and if you got a Boxycharm, please let me know what you got in the box this month. Was it the same products I did? Was it different? Did you like what you got? Or do you agree with me and it's like, no. But one last thing right before you leave. Be safe, be kind, be careful. I love you, I miss you, and I'll see you on the next video. See you soon.